Are you looking to convert your MS Access databases to other formats like Excel, CSV, JSON, or SQL? Welcome to the Access Converter tool. You can seamlessly export your .mdb and .act files to a variety of formats on Windows, all while ensuring the integrity and security of your original data. Key features of the Access Converter tool. Multi-format export capabilities. Easily convert to Excel, .xlsx, CSV, .csv, JSON, .json, or SQL. Password protection support. The tool handles password-protected databases, ensuring that your secure files are converted safely. Batch conversion. Convert multiple tables at once, saving you time and effort. Preserves your original database. Your original data remains unchanged during the conversion process. Step-by-step guide to converting your Access databases. Step 1. Launch the application. To begin, download, install, and launch the Access Converter on your Windows machine. Simply double-click the executable to start the application. Step 2. Select your Access file. Click the Browse button next to the Access File field. Navigate to and select your .mdb or .act file, then click Open to load the database. Step 3. Enter password, if required. If your database is password protected, enter the password in the password, if protected, field. The Load button will automatically activate once the correct password is entered. Step 4. Choose the Output folder. Click Browse next to Output folder to select the location where you want the converted files to be saved. Step 5. Load tables. Click the Load Tables button. The tool will connect to your database and display all available tables in the left-hand panel. Step 6. Preview data, optional. You can preview the data of any table by clicking its name in the left panel. This step allows you to verify the data before proceeding with the conversion. Step 7. Select tables and choose export formats. Select the tables you wish to convert, or use Select All to select everything. Then, choose your desired export formats. Excel.xlsx, CSV.csv, JSON.json, SQL.sql. Step 8. Convert selected tables. Once you have selected the tables and formats, click Convert selected tables. The tool will display a progress bar as it converts your data. Wait for the conversion complete. Message to confirm the successful conversion. Conversion complete. Your Access database tables have been successfully converted to the formats you selected. You can now access the converted files in the Output folder you specified. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.